A PIC reconciliation is a stocktake of all electronic NLIS devices on a property. This action can identify the specific differences between the NLIS database records and the devices or tags on your property. Let's find out how to. Once logged into the database, select the species you'll be working with today, and then scroll to the Notify the Database Of section and select PIC Reconciliation. Click Go. Read the explanatory text and click Continue. This how-to will only step you through the process to manually enter the required details to conduct a reconciliation. So click on Type in the details. There are two options to manually enter the NLIS ID or RFID details. Each number can be typed one at a time into the small field. Be vigilant, as accuracy is crucial. Each number can be brought in from an existing list in a spreadsheet or another file. This list can be copied and pasted directly into the large box. The existing list must have one NLIS ID or RFID per line for the large box to accurately read the data. With the NLIS ID or RFID details entered and the corresponding PIC selected, click Continue. The database will display the results on the screen over 2 pages. The first list of devices are active and registered to the PIC. This requires no further action. This second section lists the devices that are not registered to the PIC. Once this PIC reconciliation process is complete, you'll need to transfer any devices identified here onto your PIC. So for now, click Export to download these device numbers so that you can access them later to conduct the livestock moved onto my property action. The database will only reconcile one species type at a time. Therefore, this third section lists any species other than what's selected to be reported on this results list. Click Continue. This page of results will list devices with an inactive or active status that do not match the records you uploaded. To take action and correct these in the database, tick the boxes beside each tag or click Select All. Here's a quick tip. The database can only update the status of 300 devices at a time. So if you have more than 300 in these sections, you'll need to undertake this PIC reconciliation process again in order to check the boxes of the next batch. Click Continue. Then to update the status in the database, click Send. To ensure the transfer was received by the database, click View My Transaction History to check the status of your upload ID is marked as complete. Once you've completed the actions from each section of results, your PIC reconciliation will be complete. By keeping your records up to date, you help to ensure the strength of Australia's red meat integrity system so our industry can stand by what it sells. For more how-to guides, visit www.integritysystems.com.au.